Today, I'm adding another gadget to my studio and solving all my charging needs with an 8-port travel-friendly charging hub. And it ships out with everything you need to keep your devices powered up and ready to go when you need them. In the box, you'll find the charging hub, 2 USB-C to USB-C charging cords, an Apple charging cord, the power cord, and the user guide. When you look at the front, you'll notice 7 USB-C ports, one 100 watt, one 35 watt, 4 45 watts, one 20 watt, and an 18 watt USB-A port. Just flip it over, connect the power cord, plug the other end into an outlet, and place it in a convenient area. I put mine on my desk right under the monitor stand so it's not in the way, and was able to charge my phone, my iPad, and my earbuds all at the same time. And still had 5 extra ports to use. I work on my laptop quite a bit some days and usually end up charging my phone with it, which kind of drains the battery. But with this power hub, I can easily connect my phone to the fast charger at the top and bring it up to 100% in no time, without draining my laptop. I was even able to plug my ring light into the USB-A port at the bottom and get some unboxings filmed. And as I mentioned before, it's travel friendly. I can pack it up in a bag to bring wherever I want, and it barely takes up any space, which is perfect if you're always on the go. I love the compact size, the matte black shade, and that it's lightweight. Pretty perfect all the way around for what I need. I was also pretty impressed with the quality of these cables. It looks like they're made of nylon, so it should help protect the inside of the cord a bit more. So if you like the convenience of charging almost anything all in one place, and want to add something useful to your office space, this 8-port power hub might have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Till next time, I'm gonna get some work finished while my phone charges up. Later.